Welcome to Week 5, Prompting Fundamentals. Prompting is practical communication with an AI system, not a magic formula. A clearer prompt can reduce unnecessary guessing, improve relevance, and make a response easier to evaluate. But remember, a good prompt can improve the task, but it cannot guarantee truth. In Lesson 4, we learn to choose an appropriate role and safeguard. Prompting comes after that decision. Once you decide AI can play a useful role, you need to communicate the task clearly. Today, we focus on that middle step, writing a clear first request. A prompt is the input you provide to an AI. It might be a question or instruction, but it can also include documents, examples, or specific goals. Every part of your prompt should serve the intended task. Clearer prompts reduce unnecessary guessing. Compare these two examples. The clearer version provides audience, length, language level, and an example. Remember, clearer guidance improves relevance, but it does not guarantee accuracy. Begin with a purpose. Ask yourself, what should I understand, practice, decide, or create? Vague purposes lead to vague responses. A polished answer is not useful if it solves the wrong problem. Give AI one clear task. Use an action verb that describes observable work, like explain, compare, or summarize. By sticking to one main task, it is much easier to evaluate if the AI completed it successfully. Too many tasks weaken your request. If you have a complex goal, divide the work into smaller, manageable stages and pause for human decisions between them. When adding context, provide only what the AI needs. Useful details include the audience, your current study level, or the specific topic. Avoid adding unrelated details that might clutter the output. While context is helpful, you must protect your privacy. Always leave out sensitive, private, or confidential information like names, identity numbers, or workplace data. Request a response format that helps you check the work. Whether you need bullet points, a table for comparison, or a word limit, specifying the format can aid in review. However, remember that a neat format does not guarantee accuracy. Boundaries help reduce guessing. Give instructions such as use only the provided text, label assumptions, or ask if the task is unclear. Even with clear boundaries, the output still requires your careful review. AI cannot know what you leave unstated. It only works from the information in the interaction. If important information is missing, it's a good idea to instruct the AI to ask you before answering. Treat the first response as a starting point. Ask yourself, does it answer the question? Is it suitable for the reader? What assumptions were made? Your evaluation is the most important part of the process. To wrap up, move from vague to clear by defining purpose, task, context, response format, and boundaries. Try the classroom activity to practice these steps, and join us in Lesson 6 to learn about the RUKF framework.